we're not going to get very far if we build on the wrong foundation. If we start building on what insurances are you going to take, what paperwork are you going to fill out, who are your employees, the business world does it that way. But we're here at the School of Christian Private Practice to put Christ in the center of it all. And so this section is called Building Upon the Rock. Who's the rock? He's the rock. And here's the subtitle, okay? Here's the punch line of this whole section is Jesus as your CEO, your chief executive officer. That, a lot of us, our motive in starting our Christian private practice is that, I want more freedom. Is that bad? No. I want to make more money. Maybe that's one of your main motivations. I want to be able to pick my own clients. I want a different location. What's the commonality in all of those statements? The commonality is I. So this section is not called Steve Fair in the center of it all. It's not called insert your name in the center of it all. It's called Jesus in the center of it all. That we build on the rock, a firm foundation. That's how this thing's going to last. It's going to withstand the storms that, yes, you are going to have storms. You are going to have trials. Things, they're going to hit you. And so we're going to build on the rock, which is him.